Imagine spending hours exploring space tapos bigla mong mapapansin hindi ka na pala sumusunod sa main quest. That's Starfield. At honestly, yun din yung pinakamalaking strength at weakness niya. Sa simula, sobrang laki agad ng scale niya. Daan-daang planets, factions, ships, side quests, at random discoveries. Classic Bethesda freedom, pero this time, nasa space. At kapag nag-click sa'yo yung exploration loop, madaling lumipas ang oras dito. Yung feeling na lilipad ka lang sana sa isang mission, tapos biglang may nakita kang abandoned station, random pirate fight, weird alien world, that unpredictability still works. At yun yung dahilan bakit addictive siya. Combat feels decent. Gunplay is definitely better kaysa sa older Bethesda games. Mas smooth yung movement. Ship building din surprisingly fun, especially kung trip mo yung customization. Pero dun din lumalabas yung issues. Hindi lahat ng planets interesting. Maraming empty spaces, maraming loading screens, at minsan ramdam mo yung disconnect sa exploration kumpara sa Skyrim or Fallout. Instead na seamless adventure, minsan parang menu hopping ang ma-experience mo. At yun yung biggest problem ng Starfield. Sobrang ambitious niya, pero hindi lahat ng ideas equally rewarding. Pero kapag gumana siya, effective talaga. Yung faction quests, world building, and freedom gumawa ng sariling space journey still feel very Bethesda. Starfield isn't their best game, pero isa siya sa pinaka-ambitious nilang ginawa. Kayo, mas trip nyo ba yung space exploration ng Starfield o mas gusto nyo pa rin yung fantasy freedom ng Skyrim?